Today we celebrate the 25th anniversary of Bishop's Episcopal ordination, and we also celebrate the closing of the Centennial, 100 years of Catholicism here in our Vicariate of Chuuk. We're very happy and we want to wish Bishop congratulations and the faithful here for 100 years of faith. Thank you.
I think we're very fortunate to have 4 bishops celebrating the Mass with us this morning. That's something amazing.
I am Sister Auda Mangaron from the Philippines. I belong to the Carmelite Order, Donum Dei Missionary Family, and I am really very grateful to our good Lord for giving me this great blessing to be in this beautiful island with the wonderful people. And I am very impressed with the celebration this morning. It's really very wonderful and very colorful, very lively with all the songs and very beautiful Mass. And thank once more the Lord and Bishop Samo and Father Lomano for inviting me here in Chuuk, a very beautiful island.
formally opened with a Mass of the Holy Spirit. Bishop Larry Silva from Honolulu was the main celebrant, and with me also was Bishop Pomei and of course Bishop Armando. It's celebrating also the 100 years of the faith being brought here to the islands here in Chuuk. And since it became a diocese, the Diocese of the Caroline Islands has been the suffragan see of the Archdiocese of Agana, the Metropolitan, along with Saipan and the Prefecture Apostolic of the Marshals. So I'm very, very happy to be here to join the people of this island, and very, very beautiful singing in Chuukese. So I hope they'll continue to be proud of their language, of their culture, and continue to help spread it so that it be known more and more to the kids growing up, and for the adults also to appreciate the work, especially of the young people. So happy anniversary, happy celebration of the 100th anniversary of the faith here in the Diocese of the Carolines.
This diocese, as it celebrates the silver jubilee of its bishop, Bishop Armando Samo, and we wish him our congratulations and many blessings to him. Aloha.
People were very joyful, enthusiastic, and united in remembering the faith that our ancestors gave the life by their heroic love and faith.